Hello guys, welcome to my live stream. And so in this live stream, we're gonna write some codes, okay? And after that, we're gonna answer, or I am gonna answer the questions in the comments. So you can write your questions if some questions pop up on your mind in the comments, so that I can just answer them yeah, in the end of the live stream and so on. So as you can see, I've opened my PyCharm window and we're gonna write not a simple one, a very exclusive chat program. Okay, this is gonna be very hard. So I'm not making this a video. I'm gonna make it a live stream and I'm gonna write it by myself. So let's get started. And so guys, I'm gonna say something and you can write your questions in the comments, okay? So we're gonna get started. Guys, please comment if you can see my screen right now. Hello? Guys, you can just comment if you can see my screen right now. One minute, guys. Guys, this is my first live stream, so I'm gonna it's gonna be a bit hard, I guess. Guys, you can see my screen right now, right? Okay, so let's get started right now. And we're gonna get started by saying, okay, so I'm gonna write this chat program and it's gonna be very important and it's gonna be very hard. So, okay, let's get started right now. So first of all, I need to say input. Your name equals input. Hello, what is your name? And we're gonna say /n. Guys, I'm not gonna use the things we've learned in our Python tutorial. I'm gonna just code it, okay? So you don't need to learn this or so on. And so I'm gonna write it right now, and I'm gonna say age equals input. Okay, input hello. Name and how old are you? And then we're gonna say if age equals bigger than 10. Any problem here? Okay. Wait, guys. Oh my god. I just okay. Ooh, yeah. Forgot it, guys. Oh my god. Equals 10. We're gonna say this, okay? We're gonna say print. Oh. Then you must be at middle school, I guess. And let's see here. Okay. And then we're gonna say input. Score math equals input. Okay, so what is your math score? And here we're gonna say if score math is more than we're gonna say 60. 60. And then we're gonna say here print. Oh, good job. Keep. Oh my god. Okay. Keep going. And then if for math is little than 60. 60. Say I think you should study more. And then we're gonna say study more. And now we're gonna run this. Okay, say from 11. Oh wait, guys. What's the problem here? Okay, let's just cut these. Love it. Oh yeah. So we're gonna say like this, right? Good. Okay. Bېرىمەن. Love it. Oh yeah, now it's good. I always forget these things, okay? Like, yeah. So now let's rent again. بېرىمەن. 11. Let's say 100. What? Oh, okay. Save this. Why doesn't this work? I think I should put input. Input. $100. Guys, why doesn't this work? Wait, guys. I think. Should I say this Olaf? Or should I say if? Olaf? Okay, this doesn't work. So if I'm gonna say if score math is bigger than 60, but all good job. Okay, 7. Okay, guys, let's just this isn't working. I think I should say this. Why does it say I think you should study more? Oh, what would change this? Okay. Okay. I know this shouldn't be it. But what? Wait. Guys, what is the problem with this? I don't think it should be print on line 8. Yeah, it is print, but guys, I'm looking at the comments right now, but okay, so I think I'm so sorry guys for this, but sometimes I just mess up like this. I think it just should be this. Okay, so I'm gonna just go and I'm gonna say here. And let's just continue, okay? Score science. Okay. Equals input. What is your science score? And let's say, let's just copy this, paste it right here, and we're gonna say this science, and then we're gonna say here science again, science, and let's run it. AI map 11, 100, 100. Okay, I think I should change this. Okay. And here, say score. Now, let's say geography. Yeah, geography equals input. What is your geography score? Paste this. Geography. You are so clever. And here, I can say, I think now we should say here, what is your name, AI man? And by the way, guys, I'm gonna say something, and you guys also can ask me my life questions and also other things, okay? Just not just code. You can also ask my life questions, or how do I grow up, or how do I learn code, so on. So you don't just need to ask questions about codes. You can also ask life questions about me. So now let's continue. 100. Okay, let's say this 40. Wait. There's a problem here. Okay. Why did Okay, so this is wrong, guys. I knew I need to change it. Like this. Like this. Very bad. Eleven. Oh, what's your math score? 140. And I'm gonna say 100. Let me change this also to, yeah. Okay, yeah. Anyway, man. 11, 100, 40, 40. Okay, let's try it again, and we're gonna say AI man. 11, 40. Okay. So we run into a problem here. Um, 11, 100. Yeah, there is a problem. I'm thinking right now, guys. So the problem is here is if I run this and like this, I'm gonna run it again, okay? So let's run it again. Beriman. 11. So if I say here 100, it says I think you should study more, but it's more than 60, and it should say, oh, good job, keep going, and it doesn't say that. Okay. Um, um, guys. Oh, I see. My teacher has come right now. My teacher's gonna enter the live now, and I'm gonna ask my teacher, guys. So sorry for that. I need to right now. So this is the problem, and I can't just do it. Okay, my teacher left. I think I should make it right now. I'm liking myself, I guess. What is this? Guys, we're gonna take a break now. It's been like 25 minutes right now, so we're gonna take a break about 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes. So see you after 10 minutes, guys. Bye. Hello, hello, hello. All right, guys, I'm back. I found a solution. And now, oh wait, guys, sorry. Yes, go to play charm. And now, boom. Okay, so my teacher told me that we should change some things, and now we're gonna just write it, okay? And so we're gonna write here in it. Okay, we're gonna say score math. Yeah. We're back right now, and we should change it like this. All right, here, like this, and we're gonna say here. Score science equals init score science. Yep, here, and let's say here score science. Guys, I just mess up sometimes like this, so we need to change it like that. I need to just ask my teacher, and my teacher is so great, you know. He just helps me all the time, and the thumbnail, he also just help creating the thumbnail or something, and other things too. And so we're back here. And we're gonna say, we're gonna say score geography equals init score geography. And here, let's say, we're gonna say score geography. And we're gonna say score geography again. And now let's run it. Okay, so let's run it. And I'm gonna say AI man 11. let's say 40. There is a problem right here. Right, so and I think we should just so yeah, and we're gonna say 60, and it does make a problem here for science. Yeah, but why does it feel like this? Guys, I think I should write it again, I guess. Okay, guys, I'm gonna write it again right now. And first, we're gonna say here, first we need to add the variables here, and we're gonna say here, score math. Or score math equals init. And guys, there is a problem again right now. I'm gonna change to here. I'm gonna just Control Z it, undo it, and so there needs to be something here. I'm gonna make it okay. I'm gonna make this a bit neater and put it here. Okay, it causes a problem. Causes a problem. So let's run this again. No. Guys, there is a problem right now in the code, and there's a problem in this code, and I'll be back in 3 minutes. Okay, just 3 minutes. And I'm so sorry. I just caused a lot of problems, and I will Guys, I'm back. So sorry for that. One minute, guys. Alright. I'm back, guys. So I got a problem. I just got a problem, and my teacher called me back, and now I've solved that, and now we're gonna just do it again. Alright. Just 1 minute. No. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen again. My screen is beaming right now, right? Okay. Okay. We're gonna get started now. Okay. We're gonna do it again. So the problem was, as you can see, I've showed it a moment ago, and so I'm completing this. Yeah. So now we're gonna come here, score math. And so I'm gonna run it right now. Stop it. Okay. Yeah. Beriman. 11. Let's say 40. Okay, now we're gonna say 100. Okay, so let's see. 60, and here is 60. Yeah, now this should solve the problem. All right, now. Beriman. 11. What is your math score? Let's say 40. And we're gonna say this 100. Why is this like, oh yeah, I forgot it. Okay, let's run this again. AI man. 11. What's your math score? And we're gonna say that's 100. 20 and 100. Yeah, guys. So the program is so much like it's 60% finished right now, and we just have the 40%. And so we're here right now, and we're gonna say I'm gonna think about it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. We're gonna ask him or her, the input, the user, about his or her family, and say, okay, let's say now. Oh yeah, so now I don't think we should just do it right now, and I think we should open a new file, new Python file, and we're gonna say this family. But guys, I think we're running out of time. I'm gonna finish this live stream on 8:10. So I think this will be it. The chat program will be this, and it's nearly 40. Yeah, it's nearly just good. Okay, I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna run it for the last time, and I'm gonna say, let's say this. Jordan. No, let's say Michael Jordan. He's my favorite basketball actually. So, and we're gonna say 11. So what is your math score? I'm gonna say 100, 100, 100. And so the program is gonna finish right now. And yeah, so this is it. And now, guys, you can ask me questions on the comments right now, and you can just write your questions, my life questions or questions about code. I'm waiting right now. And so for 10 or 13 minutes, I'm gonna answer your questions on the comments. You can just ask me questions. I'm rating right now. If you have questions, you can just comment it. I'm waiting right now. I'm waiting right now, guys, okay? And so you can answer your questions. I'm gonna wait for a couple minutes. I'm gonna stop my cam and microphone right now. And I'm gonna just wait for the questions, okay? Guys, if you have questions about me, you can just ask it. Please comment if you have questions or not. If you don't have questions, you can just say I don't have questions. I'm gonna start the camera. Yeah. Guys, okay, okay. Guys, so we're just gonna look at the codes one more time, and we're gonna just run it one more time, okay? So I'm gonna just pick one person's name and from the comments, and let's say okay, someone has a question. It says, why did you start coding? So I was 7 or 8 years old at that time, and I was just 8 years old right at that time, and I met my teacher, Mohammed ibn Nuruddin, and he started to teach me robotics and code from Mblock or Scratch, and I just learned that, and I became more impressed at the code or the AI technology, and so I started to learn Python, and when I was learning, I just learned a bit like this on the fourth tutorial, my Python tutorial. I just came to that level, and my teacher opened a Python course, and I just entered that course, and we learned Python with some people, and I just learned Python that way. And the reason I started coding because just I was just impressed. Okay, I like coding, and I could make a lot of games, websites, or so on and so forth. And so I just became impressed, and so that's all. Then I opened this channel, and so I'm making these tutorials. Yeah, that's it. Um, okay, so is there any more questions? And you can just comment it there. All right, so I'm gonna pick a random person from the comments, and I'm gonna just pick a person from the comments randomly, and I'm gonna put it on my program. And let's see. Okay, I'm gonna pick. Okay, there's a person named Ablet Muhtar, and I'm gonna put him or her, and I'm gonna put on the program. Okay, we're gonna enter PyCharm again, and we're gonna say it. Yeah, I just copy paste it, and I'm just gonna randomly say 11, and I'm gonna say 100, 100, and 100. The person said, "Am I the last one?" And she is an aunt actually, and she says, "Am I the last one?" What do you mean by am I the last one? Can I learn that? You can comment it. And she also said, "Good job." And she said, "Love you so much. Go on." Oh, thanks. Thank you so much. And a person named Mustafa Qasim said, "That's so cool." Oh, thank you. And we're gonna learn. Now we're learning actually. Guys, is there a black thing on my screen? Yeah, it's open now. Guys, now I'm gonna stop sharing because the code that I'm gonna write is finished, and oh, she says, "Oh, it's a wrong comment." The one that she says, "Am I the last one?" And okay, I'm gonna just for the last time. So sometimes I know why. So okay, so I just answered the question on the screen, and 1 minute, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna end this live stream now. Thank you so much for all of the viewers who watched me, and thank you so much, guys. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for supporting me. And my new tutorial is gonna come soon, and please subscribe, guys. Our next goal is to get 200 subscribers. Okay, we're gonna get, and I have another goal, and I want, let's see, let's say we can reach 500 subscribers in the end of this month to February, and I hope this is gonna happen. And I support. Thanks for supporting me, guys, again and again. And so this is the end of the live stream. So thank you for watching my live stream again. So bye.